This is a mechanical keyboard fight stick for my custom puzzle Bobble cabinet. I'm using the Atari Legacy cabinet as the base, and just in case you are wondering, yes, I do own the game. This is a mechanical keyboard fight stick that I'm using for my custom puzzle Bobble cabinet. I got it on Etsy for about $100 from a seller called Pill Mill, and I'll put the link in the description below. So the first thing we gotta do is take it apart, and I use this really thin and small screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, to kind of pry open these. I think they're kind of like they're like plastic screws around the edges. So there's actually two parts to it. There's like a top, and then there's like a tube looking thing on the bottom. Sometimes these just pop out all at once, but sometimes you gotta like take two pieces out. After the screws are removed, you can just kind of take the top off. This is not really even a keyboard at all. It's just one of those zero delay USB joystick encoders connected to Cherry MX mechanical keyboard switches. I'm gonna start labeling stuff before taking everything apart. And then finally take out the USB plug. I'm gonna take the buttons out now. So this is the Atari Legacy panel. The only thing we really want from the original panel is the plexiglass and the backplate. And we're pretty much just going to use the plexiglass for measuring. So here I am just kind of laying out the control panel, laying out the buttons. Instead of using like a pen, I'm using a tape. For the control deck, I decided to reuse this old shelf. The cool thing about it is it already has an edge that's finished, so I don't need to worry about T-molding. Another cool thing about it is that it's free. And I'm measuring the lines in which I should cut, and instead of using a pen, I'm just using painter's tape. Measure twice, cut once. Just gonna pick a spot. That was better.
That was kind of smooth.
I got better at it. Okay. Try your best, and if you can't.
Holy moly. It looked like a TV.
Does look like old school
It'd be
TV.
looking like an old school TV.
Now that we have our old school TV, Just gotta put all the pieces together. Okay, I'm gonna screw the control panel in now. If it doesn't look straight to you, that's on purpose, because I like my control panel pointed to the left. Alright, good thing I labeled the buttons. We're gonna go ahead and plug the wires back in. I had a little problem getting the USB to fit, so just detach the USB cable and just string it through. And that's pretty much it for the control panel. I'm just gonna plug this in, screw the back on. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates.